test out and play with sounds before I use them. At least I test out sounds and play with them before I use them. And also certain memes. Like, remember that one, Dear Pesky Plumber?
Yes.
Yes. Dear Pesky Plumbers, that sounds okay. Some memes I don't use because of the language. I don't know why some people use that. I sure wouldn't use it. Remember I put a Mario head on one of my videos? Yeah, when I was looking for my poem book from 1998, I put a Mario head flying.
Go ahead. You kill it.
Or I pressed space and it said, I'm gonna fly for you.
Weird.
I play with sounds before I use them. What I always think would be hilarious, Yoshi's story intro. And you know, the page ending. After Doyle?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Don't get it before. After.
I play with sounds before I use them.
3 minutes, 6 seconds.